The 3-needle I-cord bind-off is a decorative join with plenty of stretch. By combining an applied I-cord with a 3-needle bind-off, you produce a more prominent edge that looks great on both sides. It can be worked with either the same color as your knitted pieces or a contrast color as we're showing here. You'll need 2 pieces with live stitches on the needles, a 3rd needle, and yarn for the bind-off row. With your bind-off yarn, cast on 3 stitches to the tip of what will be the front needle. Any cast-on method you like is fine. I'm using the knitted cast-on here. Knit the first 2 stitches, then slip the next stitch. Set up the pieces to be joined with wrong sides together and the needle tips pointing to the right. Slip the next stitch from the front needle knitwise and do the same with the first stitch from the back needle. Then knit them together. Pass the slipped stitch over, then slide your 3 I-cord stitches back onto the front or back left needle. I personally find it easier to work on the back needle. Bring the working yarn firmly across the wrong side and repeat. Knit the first 2 stitches, then slip 1. Work a slip-slip knit with the first stitches on each needle, then pass the slipped stitch over. Continue across the edges. Notice that the tops of the stitches being joined are enclosed within the I-cord. This is the smooth, reversible look we're going for. Keep going until all stitches are bound off. The result is neat, sturdy, and stretchy. Try using the 3-needle I-cord bind-off for finishing any 2-sided project, such as a round ornament or a cushion for your sofa. Let us know what you think of this bind-off in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more knitting technique videos.